This video is brought to you today by Ghost Tags. This is my own company that I started because I wanted a glow-in-the-dark AirTag case. These things are awesome. You can stick them on your backpack, on your dog's collar, and you will be able to find it at night. We've got two colors, blue and green. They've got great reviews. Go check them out. Links to them down below. Now on to the video. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimathy TV. In this video, I just want to give a huge quick PSA to those of you that are trying to pre-order the new iPhones. If you want to get in line quickly and be able to check out immediately on September 9th at 5 a.m. Pacific time, 8 a.m. Eastern time, you're gonna want to get ready, as Apple calls it. So all you have to do is open up the Apple Store app on your iPhone and start entering some of your details. So I'm gonna zoom in here. Basically, all you do is click on which phone you want. And by the way, I already did this. It's super easy. It takes like literally less than 3 minutes. Anyways, choose which phone you want, pick the color, the carrier, and the storage, all that stuff. Then, if you are buying it with a carrier, go ahead and confirm the carrier right now. Confirming your carrier used to hold people up in the old days, but it looks like you can do it early now. So in my case, all I had to do was enter in my billing zip code and phone number, and it verified with Verizon and said, yeah, okay, you can buy this phone. I don't know why they do that, but it is what it is. That part probably takes the longest. It takes probably about 45 seconds. Then you can browse the iPhone accessories. I skipped that. Then choose your payment method. Now make sure your payment method is going to work on Friday morning when you try to pre-order. In my case, I'm using Apple Pay because I'm pretty sure there's a 3% cash back with that, so why not? Think about it. Think about how you're gonna use your points if you have a credit card. Get some money back. I mean, Apple Pay, 3% cash back's pretty damn good. And then once you do this, you are all set. What you have to do is open up the app, and on the For You tab, you can actually view all of this once you do it, and you can go back in and kind of make sure everything looks right. And I'm assuming that it's that same tab that you'll go to on Friday. You'll open up the app real quick at 8 a.m. Eastern time, click on the For You tab, and I'm assuming it's going to have a way to check out. This is obviously not confirmed because I can't test that right now, but that's where it is right now if you want to go view what you've already done. I'm so happy that Apple lets us do this, especially because 8 a.m. on a weekday for work, I mean, everyone's got to work. You can't just sit around, waiting for an iPhone to become available. So I like that they allow us to get ready, basically put everything in the cart and just click pay now on that date at that time. Personally, I wish Apple would change it back to 3 a.m. Eastern time like they used to do, because then, I can just stay up all night, be hyped, order the phone, get some sleep, and then wake up for work or school, whatever I'm doing that next day. But in this case, 8 a.m., oof, that's a tough time. Not a big fan of that. Hey, at least they let us get ready. So that's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, if it was helpful, hit this video with a big thumbs up and subscribe. I've got iPhone comparison videos coming up tonight and tomorrow. Subscribe, stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.